Hello friends, in today's video, let's look at the accounting treatment for cement bags, wastewater treatment plant and abnormal costs as per IAS 16. Hi, my name is Pratheej and welcome to Deep Dive into IFRS. So before we get into the accounting treatment for the above items, let's look at what are all not included as part of the cost of PPE as per IAS 16. Number 1, inauguration cost. For example, for opening a new factory or your new showroom, you invite a celebrity or an actor and you pay him something and there are related expenses as well. So these should not be capitalized as PPE cost. Number 2, cost of advertising and marketing a new product. Number 3, cost of conducting business in a new location. Number 4, staff training costs. Number 5, general administration and other overheads. Number 6, initial operating losses. When you start using a PPE for production of inventories or production of items, there are chances that initially you incur losses. These should not be capitalized. Number 7, expenses from the date the asset is ready to use till the asset is actually put to use. Now this should not be confused with depreciation. As per IFRS, from the moment the asset is ready to use, depreciation has to be charged. You don't have to wait till it is put to use. So please don't confuse this with that. Number 8, shifting expenses. And finally, number 9, revenue from incidental operations. So what do you mean by revenue from incidental operations? Suppose you're constructing a building for your own use. So it is a PPE for you. And the ground floor construction is ready and the first floor construction is going on. So as it will take a few more months, say you let out this ground floor till the first floor construction is done and you get some rental income from that. Now this should be reduced from the cost of PPE. It should not be part of cost of PPE. But suppose you're constructing an asset. So this is called self-constructed asset. In this case, naturally you have to add up all the costs required for the construction and then capitalize that as PPE cost. But while doing so, internal profits and abnormal costs should not be included as part of PPE cost. I'll give you examples for this. Suppose you're a cement bags trader and for storing your cement bags, you're constructing a godown. And for this construction, you're using your own cement. Suppose the cost of one sack of cement is 100 rupees and the selling price of one sack of cement in the market is 150 rupees. So in this case, the cost that should be included as part of PPE cost should not be 150. It should only be 100. That 50 rupees is called internal profit. That should be excluded. Now during this construction, just assume that around 10 lakhs worth of cement bags are stolen. This is abnormal and this is called abnormal cost. So this should not be capitalized as part of cost of PPE. Now finally onto the example of wastewater treatment plant. Now we all know that for an item to be recognized as PPE, it should result in the flow of future economic benefits to the entity. But in certain conditions, in certain cases, some entities acquire some PPE only for safety and environmental reasons. These are generally called environmental assets. As such, they will not result in any future economic benefits to the entity. But if you buy these items, buy these PPE, they will enable the existing PPEs to earn in excess of what they were already earning for the entity. So as such, these could be capitalized. If you take a chemical manufacturing company, for example, some local environmental laws will mandate the existence of a wastewater treatment plant in a chemical manufacturing company so that the wastewater, chemicals and all those wastes could be treated properly before letting them out to the drainage. So as such, this wastewater treatment plant is not resulting in any extra income for the entity. But without this, the local authority will not let the chemical manufacturing company to operate. So because of this wastewater treatment plant only, chemical manufacturing company will be allowed to operate and earn income. And citing this reason, this wastewater treatment plant can be capitalized as PPE. I hope this video was useful to you guys. Till I see you in my next episode, thank you for your valuable time.